Ever wonder why some folks seem to have more money while others struggle to make ends meet? Well, it turns out there are some secrets to building wealth that aren't as complicated as they might seem. In this video, we're going to spill the beans on 7 key secrets that set the rich apart from the rest. We all know what it's like to worry about money, bills, and the future. But what if there are simple things you can do to change your financial story? That's what we're here to explore. No fancy jargon or confusing terms, just straightforward ideas that can make a real difference. We'll start by understanding what wealth really means and why it matters. Then, we'll dive into the secrets that successful people use to stay ahead. From learning about money, it's not as boring as it sounds, to adopting a mindset that attracts success, we've got it covered. So, whether you're counting pennies or dreaming of a bigger bank account, stick around. These secrets might just be the keys to unlocking a brighter financial future. Let's get started on this journey to understand what separates the wealthy from the not-so-wealthy and how you can change your money story. Number 1. Financial education. The power of knowing your money. Let's talk about money not in a confusing way, but in a way that makes it your friend, not your mystery enemy. Financial education is like your roadmap to understanding and managing your money better. It's not about being a math genius. It's about knowing the basics that can turn your financial worries into financial wins. Think of it this way. Ever tried putting together a new toy without looking at the instructions? Not easy, right? Well, your money is a bit like that toy. Financial education is your instruction manual. It helps you figure out how to make your money work for you. So, what does financial education involve? It's about learning how to budget, a plan for your money, understanding the difference between needs and wants, and knowing how to save and invest a little for tomorrow. It's like giving your money a purpose. The rich folks aren't keeping some secret code about money. They just understand these basics. It's not about big words. It's about gaining the knowledge that lets you take control of your finances. Get ready to turn those financial question marks into exclamation points. Number 2. Mindset and attitude. Your secret weapons for wealth. Ever wonder why some people seem to have a knack for turning challenges into opportunities? It's not magic, it's all about the way they think. That's what we call mindset and attitude. And it's a big deal when it comes to money. Think of your mind as a powerful tool. Your mindset is like the software that runs it. And your attitude is the way it approaches problems and possibilities. When it comes to wealth, having the right mindset and attitude is like having a superpower. Rich folks often share a common superpower, a positive and forward-thinking mindset. They believe in possibilities, see challenges as stepping stones, and don't let setbacks stop them. It's not about ignoring problems. It's about facing them with a can-do spirit. It's about how you can turn I can't into I can and shift from problems to challenges. It's not about having $1 million in the bank. It's about thinking in a way that attracts success. A simple shift in mindset and attitude can be your ticket to a wealthier life. It's not about being born lucky. It's about thinking and believing in your own financial magic. Number 3. Strategic investing. Making your money work smarter. Investing might sound like a term reserved for Wall Street pros, but it's not just for them. It's like planting seeds that grow into money trees, and anyone can learn how to do it. Strategic investing is about making your money work harder for you, like a sidekick helping you build wealth. Ever heard the phrase, "It takes money to make money"? Well, that's where investing comes in. It's about using your money to buy things that can grow in value over time, making more money for you in return. The rich understand this game well. They don't just save their money. They put it into things like stocks, real estate, or businesses that have the potential to grow. It's not about throwing all your money into something risky. It's about making smart choices based on research and understanding. It's not just for the big shots. It's a tool that, when used wisely, can pave the way to a wealthier future. Time to make your money work smarter, not harder. Number 4. Entrepreneurial spirit. Turning ideas into gold. Ever dreamt of turning your passion or a brilliant idea into a money-making adventure? That's the entrepreneurial spirit at play. Being an entrepreneur isn't just for people with fancy titles, it's about having the guts to take your dreams seriously and turn them into reality. Think of entrepreneurs as modern-day inventors. They see problems as opportunities and believe they have what it takes to solve them. Whether it's starting a small business or inventing the next big thing, the entrepreneurial spirit is all about turning ideas into gold. Rich folks often have a dose of this spirit. They don't just wait for opportunities. They create them. It's not about quitting your job and risking it all. It's about thinking creatively, spotting opportunities, and having the courage to pursue them. And failure isn't the end but a stepping stone. A bit of entrepreneurial spirit can add a dash of excitement and possibility to your journey toward financial success. It's not about having a business degree. It's about turning your dreams into your own success story. Number 5. Smart saving and spending. Making every dollar count. Ever wondered where all your money goes by the end of the month? Smart saving and spending is like having a superhero cape for your wallet. It helps you keep more of your hard-earned cash. It's not about being a miser. It's about making every dollar count toward building the life you want. Imagine if your money had a job description. Smart saving means giving your money specific tasks, like saving for a cool gadget or a rainy day fund. It's about planning before you splurge, so you don't end up wondering where it all went. Rich folks are masters of this money game. They don't just spend. They spend with purpose. From creating a budget, a roadmap for your money, to distinguishing between needs and wants. It's not about depriving yourself of fun. It's about finding a balance that lets you enjoy today while securing tomorrow. A few smart moves with your money can lead to a wealthier and worry-free future. It's not about being a money genius. It's about making your money work for you. Number 6. Networking and relationship building. Your social currency for success. Ever heard the saying, it's not just what you know, but who you know? Well, that's the secret power of networking and relationship building. It's not about collecting business cards or attending fancy events. It's about creating connections that can open doors to opportunities you never imagined. Think of your social circle as a treasure map. The more genuine connections you have, the more chances you have to discover hidden treasures, like a great job or a fantastic opportunity. Networking is like planting seeds in a garden. The more you nurture them, the more they grow. Rich folks get this. They understand the value of relationships, not just for the sake of it, but as a key to unlocking new possibilities. It's not about being a social butterfly. It's about building authentic connections that can make your journey to success smoother. So, brace up and explore the world of networking without the pressure. It's not just about who you know. It's about creating a network that works for you and with you on your path to success. Number 7. Continuous learning and adaptability. Your ever-ready toolkit for success. Ever wonder how some people always seem to stay ahead in the game? It's not luck. It's the magic of continuous learning and adaptability. Think of it as having a toolkit that's always filled with new skills and ideas, ready for any challenge life throws your way. Imagine life as a fast-paced video game. To level up, you need to keep learning new skills and adapting to different challenges. That's exactly what continuous learning and adaptability are all about. It's not about being a know-it-all. It's about being a learn-it-all. Rich folks get this. They don't stop learning when they hit a certain age or achieve success. They keep growing. Curiosity is your superpower, and being flexible in your thinking can open doors you never imagined. It's not about going back to school forever. It's about adopting a mindset that sees every experience as a chance to learn. So, fill your toolkit with the skills that keep you ahead of the curve. It's not about being a genius. It's about being ready to tackle whatever comes your way on your journey to success.